Okay, so we went page 43 in your workbook. We decided in an equation, any letter can be used as a variable. That's definitely true. Okay, letter B, you've had time to think and write letter B. The goal in solving an equation is to get the variable by itself. Guys, true or false? True. Wait, what is it? True. True, definitely true. The whole point is to isolate the variable using the inverse operation. Letter C, I'm curious. In the solution, the variable always has to be on the left side of the equal sign. Shout out, what'd you put? False. Yay, guys, false, right? Doesn't have to be. We'll still understand what that solution is. Okay, and then the last one. The last one. If you add a number to one side, you should add it to the other side. True. I would love that statement even more if they did more specifically. If you add a number to one side of the equal sign, then you add the same number to the other side of the equal sign. Okay, let's see. Put your pens and pencils in your books. Close your book so your pens and pencils are holding your spot. I just want you to watch since this is a review of Friday. Brendan, will you put that away, please, so I know you're listening? Close your books. Pens and pencils in your books, close them. Just watch again. This is a review. It's all about isolating the variable using the inverse operation. Here's the first example. Okay, I need a hand in the air. First, you've got to identify the variable. Can someone tell me what the variable is in this one? Sammy, what is it? X is the variable. So we've got to isolate X, check right there, using the inverse operation. Inverse operation. Can I get a hand in the air? Tell me about the inverse operation. Elena, what are we going to do?
It's the opposite of the other number on the other side of the variable, I guess.
Okay, opposite of the other number. Which one? Be specific. What am I going to inverse?
You're going to inverse the 2.1.
Yes, we're going to inverse the 2.1 right now. You watching, Joel? Because I know you're absent. Tony, you watching? I know you're absent. This says plus 2.1, plus 2.1. Joel, Tony, what's the opposite of plus 2.1? Yes. Tony, do you agree with Joel? We're going to minus 2.1. See? Plus 2.1, minus 2.1, yes. But we just did the true false. Whatever we do one side of the equal sign, we have to do to the other. So we've got to minus 2.1 right here. Check it. In your assignment tonight, the question will already be written for you. I must see this step. I must see minus 2.1 on one side. I must see minus 2.1 on one side. Give me a thumbs up. Yes, we get it. We always show our work, right? Okay, next. Yes, you can use your calculators, but kind of no. You can do this in your head. Guys, 10.5 minus 2.1.
8.4.
Yes! Shout it out. What is it?
8.4.
Stop. Here's where I will let you use your calculators. Clear them out. Turn them on. You've got to check your answers. You've got to get into this awesome math habit. 8.4. We decided that the variable right here was 8.4. So type it in. Instead of putting x, you put in 8.4. Type it in. I should see you type in. 8.4 plus 2.1. Hit the equal sign. Does it really equal 10.5? Give me a thumbs up if it does. Good. You checked your answer. That means you can now circle it because you got the answer right. Circle it and check. Okay, clear your calculators, put them down, and watch. Clear your calculators, put them down, and watch. Be nice to the calculators. Okay, what if you have a problem that looks fractions? Do you think the directions have changed? No, it's still isolating the variable using the inverse operation. I need a hand in the air. Tell me the variable first. You've got to identify the variable. Come on, what is it? X is the variable. It's a very popular variable, right? Now I need someone to help me with the inverse operation. There's something in there that you have to do the inverse of it. What do we do?
You would do
Yes, minus a half. I love that you said on each side. Minus half on each side. Stop. Give the board a thumbs up. If this was someone's assignment, are they showing their work on both sides? Do you have to do that on today's assignment? Yes, you do. Okay, here we go. Calculators, type it in. But pause. Which one do you type in first? Do you type in 3/4 minus a half, or do you do a half minus 3/4? 3/4 minus a half. Go, go, go. Type it in. Practice it. 3/4 minus 1/2. And then hands in the air. Don't tell each other. Don't shout it out. Hands in the air. Get this nicely done. Okay, Brandon, what'd you get? 1/4. Clap twice for Brandon if you agree. Ooh, that is a lot of claps. Okay, stop. I don't want you to circle it until you have checked it. So go back, clear your calculators. Take this 1/4, put it where the x is. We decided that x was really 1/4. So type in 1/4 plus 1/2. Kirsten, you doing it? 1/4 plus 1/2. Hit the equal button. Give me a thumbs up if it worked. If it worked, thanks, Dan. Thank you, Jack. Okay, if you really have checked it, go back, put a check mark. You can circle it. Okay, how are you feeling so far? Even if there's decimals and fractions, are you still okay isolating the variable using the inverse? Let me see, how are you feeling? Okay, let's do one more example then. I'm gonna erase this board and move stuff around. What if it's like this? Let's do a different variable. What if it's y minus 3 1/8 equals -5 and, I don't know, 2/7. Again, do you think the directions have changed? No, we're still isolating the variable using the inverse operation. All right, guys, shout it out. What's the variable? Y is the variable. We've got to isolate y. I need a hand in the air. What inverse are you going to do? Are you going to do this, the left side, or the equal side? What are we going to do? Skylar, what do we do? Okay, the -3 1/8. Skylar, what's the inverse of that? Positive. So let's add 3 1/8. So over here, we're going to add 3 1/8. Let me tell you about common mistakes. Common mistakes, they go backwards. They don't start with the -5 2/7. Brandon, Joel. Another common mistake is they don't put in the negative. Do you think that negative is important? Yes. Super important. Go. Type it in. -5 2/7 plus 3 1/8. Don't shout it out. Raise your hand when you have it. It's going to take a little bit of time. Type this in. It's worth it. A big negative plus a little positive, probably still in the negatives. Okay, raise your hand once you have it. I'm waiting to see who has it. KT, what did you get?
-2 and 956. Yeah, -2 and 956.
-2 and 956. Woo! Raise your hand if you got the same thing as D. Stop! I'm reinforcing this. Are you ready? This black, what is written in black will be in your books, not your head. We got it. What is written in white? You have to write that on every problem. Yes, yes, yes. What is written in yellow? Do I want you to circle it yet? No. One last step. Check it. Clear your calculators. Type it in right here. Start with -2 and 956. Don't forget the negative sign. Then hit -3 1/8. Make sure it really kicks out -5 2/7. Check your answers. Check your answers. I'm begging you. Check your answers. How many of you say it is? Let me see. Oh, thank you for checking your answers. Now that you've checked it, you can circle it. Okay, here we go. Your books to page 44. We're going to do problems 1 through 10.